Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you need to do is to open the menu. And to open the menu, press the up/menu button. Press and hold it rather. And after the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Scroll through it until you find the system option. And once you find the system option and select it, press the GPS button to enter. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called the reset. Select the reset option, and once you select it, press the GPS button to enter. Then scroll through the menu, select the option called delete data and reset settings, press the GPS button, and then press the GPS button to confirm and start the resetting process. No, never mind, we need to confirm one more time. So select yes and press the GPS button, like this. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.